June is the time where you are having your Indian Economic Services examination. Now, with 3 months left, what is the right strategy to prepare for economic services? The students who are appearing for economic services are obviously students of economics, so need not to say more about it. But the very important factors, you might be preparing for different examinations like GATE, IIT JAM, for UPSC. So, the syllabus for each of these varies a little. What is very important to pick in the section of Indian Economic Services is the difference in paper 1, 2, and 3. In paper 1, you have a specific section on welfare economics, which is not there in other papers, or if it is there, it's marginally there. Paper 2, the economic thought, very, very important section in Indian Economic Services, and paper 3, environmental economics, again, very, very important. So the other papers by and large remain the same. Now, when you are practicing through the Indian Economic Services, go through the past year papers. Paper 1 is the section which is most numerical in nature, paper 1 and 2 possibly, and then 3 and 4 are by and large theoretical in nature. So 4 means the Indian economics that I'm talking about. So all the previous papers, at least for minimum 5 years, have been solved and updated here. So once you go on to the questions, you would see the list and the sample of questions here, and this would give you an insight about how to solve the questions, what are the way in which you need to answer the questions. So this is just one such example, and there are many other topics that you can actually explore. So let's say you go on to the indifference curve and you see the questions here. The explanations in the mathematical format is also given in detail to help you understand better and retain better. So wish you good luck. In case you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect. And yes, for last 3 months, prepare well for your examination. It's really important to focus on your answer writing skills and have the latest updates on data, case studies, which would help you answer your questions better than others and score good marks. Since the number of seats are very few with Indian Economic Services, the better you practice, the better chances you have to qualify. Thanks for joining in.